Hey guys, today is July 18th, Thursday, 10:02 a.m. Out of a total of $1,095 I had, I used half, about 500. I still have 525 remaining, you see that. And I made a total of $47. That's like a 10% return of investment. You can see the exact strategy I've been using. I've been using Let me make this one screen. Trading SPY, it started off over here and it started coming back down. And I bought over here initially when I saw this red candle because I knew it will come down to at least the 618, if not to this yellow. And so it came all the way here and I sold it. So literally a minute and a half, maybe somewhere here, maybe 2 minutes. And I made on the SPY, I made $15 profit. Then as it kept coming down, I saw Qs. This was Qs, QQQ basically. If I show this, as I saw this coming down, you can see over here, right? So this is the 941 mark, 941. Over here, I saw it came below the previous low a few minutes ago. So I bought Qs again and I left it for 2-3 minutes. And I made about, this is the QQQ, $16. And then I bought 2 calls on IWM. So what I saw was when this started coming down and then started going back up again, you see this started going back up. I saw that over here, you can see that IWM was a bit stronger. It was starting to go up. So I bought it and I bought from somewhere here. I sold it somewhere here near the top over here and made, I could have left it. It could have gone a lot more, but 16 bucks, a total of 47 bucks. I still have $525 that I can still use, or something around the 500 and whatever dollars left. I can still use and make some more money. But this is like, even in a total capital of $1,000, this is like a 5% every day, 5% to 10% a day. That's all I strive for. So you can do that. Anyone can do that.